Now let us look at division of decimal numbers. We'll try to understand how to divide decimal numbers, especially solving some real life problems like calculating quantities and rates. And then we'll see how we will divide by powers of 10. Take a real life scenario. Suppose your friend tells you that he has spent 63.75 rupees on apples at the rate of 12.75 per kg. Now he is asking you how many kilograms of apples has he bought. So we know that for rupees 12.75 he is going to get 1 kg of apples. Now to find out how many kilograms he gets for 63.75 rupees, we simply divide 63.75 by 12.75. In these scenarios, we require to learn division of one decimal number by another decimal number. So let us understand the steps to divide decimal numbers using a few examples. First, say we are dividing 14.4 by 0.6. So first we need to rewrite this division as a fraction. Then we will try to eliminate the decimals by multiplying numerator and denominator by some power of 10. So in this case I can rewrite this as 144 by 6. How did I end up getting this? I just multiplied the numerator and denominator by 10. Okay, now we know that this 144 by 6 is nothing but 24. So let us take another example. Say I have to divide 18.25 by 0.05. So once we have written this as a fraction, we simply need to multiply the numerator by some power of 10. So in this case we need to multiply it with 100 so that I can get rid of the decimal point. So if we multiply both numerator and denominator by 100, we end up getting 1825 upon 5, which will simplify to 365. Now let us see dividing by powers of 10. That is, say we are dividing by 10 or 100 or 1000. So this process is simple because we simply need to shift the decimal point to the left by as many places as there are zeros in the divisor. For example, say I am dividing 45.67 by 10. So in the divisor we have 1 0. So I will simply shift the decimal point by one place. So this is 4.567. Similarly, say I have 102.5 and I am dividing it by 1000. So in this case the divisor has 3 zeros in it. So I will simply move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So 1, then 2, then 3. So this is 0.1025. Let us understand using another example. Say a vendor has spent rupees 144 to buy 120 bananas. Now we need to find out the cost per banana. So in this case, the first step would be to write the total cost and quantity as a divisor problem. So cost per banana would be 144 upon 120. So total cost upon the total quantity. So now if we divide both numerator and denominator by 12, this is 12 by 10. Converting it to a decimal, it is 1.2. So the result is that the cost of one banana is rupees 1.20. Now, there are three key points to remember from this video. Firstly, regarding removing decimals. So to remove decimal, we need to multiply numerator and denominator by the powers of 10 to eliminate decimal points during division. Secondly, whenever we are dividing by any power of 10, say 10 raised to the power of n, we simply move the decimal n places to the left. Thirdly, we always simplify fractions before we convert to decimals.